Well done, my sons. Reuben, you've been eating the food on the way here?
It was children.
Anyway, there's enough here for my grandchildren. But I noticed 10 of you went, but there are only you now. Where is Simeon?
It's bad. We was talk to the Excellency and I said, and he was saying that we have to leave Simeon, but he was wanting us. Come and stand in front of me. He was saying we have to go back with Benjamin because he thinks we're spies.
Oh, no.
Yes.
No.
Oh, yeah.
Benjamin.
Please, Father, we're hungry. I'm hungry, okay?
I have already lost one son. I will not lose another. Okay?
Please, Father.
We need him. We need him. They're going to kill us. We need him. We need to take him back.
Please, Father.
And poor old Jacopo was confused about this.
No. Take my wife. Take him. But if he not return with you, there will be trouble. Okay?
So the brothers this time very quickly now, they giddy up, quickly in the boat, and they're rowing away. The sea is coming up again, very angry. No, the sea is not coming up. And then they arrive in the town of Salelonga again. And this time, Iosefa sees them from afar, and he prepared a wonderful kongai for them, and he welcomed them into his house.
Welcome to the feast. Where is your brother, the youngest one?
Flute. There it is. Flute. There it is.
Thank you for bringing your brother. Servants, release Simeon. No.
At this time, Iosefa is overcome with emotion and compassion and consideration in his heart. He can't control his emotion, and he has to leave the room because he sees all his brothers and the thoughts come flooding back into his heart.
This is so hard for me. My brothers have returned. They're all here. How can I forgive them? They treated me as a slave. But I worked my way up through Potiphar's house with his wife, who was always chasing after me, inside and outside, like a crouching tiger. Always trying to G-force herself upon me. She thinks she's a hot chili. I need to see if my brothers have changed. Servants, come. Place this coconut in Benjamin's bag. I need to catch him stealing. I need to see if my brothers have changed.
Very good.
To the feast. Thank you for coming to my feast. Servants, bring them their bags.
And so it was. Everything seemed to be going well. The boys have more food in their bag. They're getting ready now to go on a canoe back to their land. And so they begin the journey back.
Wait! Someone has stolen from me. servants check their bags.
Uh-oh. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Oh boy. There's a problem here coming.
Boss, here's your poo-poo.
Oh.
There's no way!
There's no way!
Benjamin.
Stole from me. Now you must come and work in my plantation forever.
No, please, stop. Take the lead. I am stronger.
Really? You would take your brother's place?
Yes, I would.
You will be treated as a slave, but you would take your youngest brother's place?
Yes, I would.
Let's give him a clap, eh? That's a good move. Judah, good on you, boy. And so it was. That at that time, this is the point in the story. Don't, no, not yet, just you gotta get the dramatic effect in here. This is the point at which Iosefa decided to reveal himself to his brother.
I am Iosefa.
And so the brothers, they start to cry all day and night. And then the girl said, come and cry as well. Oh, boy, everybody cried. And then everybody said, stop.
You don't need to worry. What you have used for evil, God has turned into good. I am the CEO here at Plantation Industry. I have plenty of food. Bring father. Don't worry.
Did you hear what he said? He said, oh, like a boy.
Thank you.
Don't worry.
No worry.
That is what the Lord said.
No worry, no worry, no worry. And so it was that everything is begin to heal in the family. The family is all begin to reunite, and we look forward to a special reunion when Jacopo can see again this son he lost. And he thought was lost, but God will make a way. Don't worry, everything's gonna be alright.
Joseph! Is that Joseph?
Oh, yoy! Final matter! Here, son Iosefa!
Just wait, pick it up, back the truck. Sound tree, not in trying. Oh, this is a beautiful. Oh my God. Everybody start crying now, please. This is an Oscar. Oscar moment in here. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Everything working out. And so it was. All I overcome with emotive. And then the reunion is in place. And the story is happening. You shut up your mouth. You're the problem. You eat all the food on the whole island now. You're stuck away. That's why there's a draft family. And now it's time for party. The family is back. Praise the Lord. Let's give it up. We got a party going on here. Go Mark. Bring it out. Show them how. Get a bonus. Please. We need some points. Please. Do a spin. Try something. Be desperate. Okay. Soon. Have a go. Backflip. Try your best. 100 points. We need it now. Go girl. Come on, kids. Give it a go. Judy. Anybody? Oh. Must be one there. Yes. I got your number, lady. We meet up later on.
out there.
Oh, there's a big boy run away now with the food. That's it. Mama Tina, are you happy now? Oh, please, stop that. Okay, let's give it up for the team. This movie has been presented to you by Mota Movie Studio. Thank you very much. In collaborate with the CCF. Give it a hand.